Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You are welcome to Design by Otio, a channel that always goes to cover for latest nail design. So if you love beautiful nails, kindly do subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our videos. Here in this channel, so that you don't get to miss our subsequent videos. Thank you so much, my ladies. So guys, today we are carefully selected cute and good looking nail designs for our ladies. Hottest nails ideas for elegant ladies. So you guys ensure to watch from here to the end. We have a lot of stunning designs that will definitely blow your mind. Okay, this video is packed with a lot of beautiful nails ideas that will get you amazed. So guys, watch the video to the end, select your most loved ones for your next manicure, and also share to your family and friends so they can also be part of this beautiful video. You guys, they will be glad to share this video to them. Okay, so if you're looking for a beautiful nail to make on your nails, these are very nice options, beautiful inspirations to take your nail game to the next level. So please watch, like and comment. Thank you so much, my ladies. I'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.
you.